Hello friends, on behalf of ToneBot, I welcome you all. And the concept I am going to discuss is related to cryptocurrency. And friends, today there is hardly any person who does not know about cryptocurrency. So friends, before knowing about this concept, we know what cryptocurrency is. Friends, cryptocurrency is a word made up of two words, which are crypto and currency. So crypto means secret and currency is the medium through which we can take any service or buy any item. And friends, cryptocurrency is the currency of today and future. Friends, if you are also looking for a fast and profitable platform, then today we are going to end your search. Because today we will discuss about a platform which is an innovative platform and will show you new ways of financial growth. In this video we will discuss about the amazing business plan of ToneBot, which is a world-class digital platform which has been designed for financial success. This platform has been started by Mr. Sergey, who belongs to Belarus. Along with this, there is a CMO of the company, Miss Monica, who started the company with this mission and vision to make people economically strong. Why do we have to choose only ToneBots? So here you can earn ton coin daily. Ultra fast tone staking and trading takes place. Exclusive rewards and bonuses. Powerful integration system with ton ecosystem. It is 100% transparent and completely user-friendly. Friends, there are no hidden charges here. It is 100% secure. And it cannot be hacked. Next, let's talk about the 5 income opportunity. In this, you get ROI income, direct referral income, withdrawal income, global pool income, and rank income. Let's know about them in detail. First, let's talk about joining. Here you can start with packages from minimum $50 to $10,000. And you can get 2x income without referring anyone. The amount with which you start here. Its return is received within next 110 days. In which you will get a return of 0.5% in the first 10 days and the total will be 5%. Likewise, in the next 10 days you will get 1% return which will become 10%. Likewise, in the next 20 days you will get a return of 1.5%, which will become 30% in total. Likewise, in the next 20 days you will get a return of 2%, which will become 40%. Likewise, in the next 20 days you will get 2.5%, which will become 50% in total. And in the same way, in the next 30 days you will get a return of 3%, which will become 90% in total. And your package will expire after a total of 110 days. Next, let's talk about the 4x booster income that leaders get. So here, 0.2% will keep getting added to your ROI for every direct leader you include. For example, if you're direct 20, your ROI will become 4%. Similarly, if you're direct 50, it will become 10%. If you're direct 100, it will become 20%. If you're direct 200, it will become 40%. If you're direct 400, it will become 80%. And if you're direct 500, it will increase to 100%. That means, friends, the more direct people you include, the more your income will keep increasing. Next, let's talk about referral deposit income. Here you get income from up to 5 levels, in which you get 5% of the deposits of all your team up to the first level. Similarly, you get 4% of the deposits of the team of the second level. Similarly, you get 3% from the third level, 2% from the fourth. And you will get 1% for the deposit of the fifth level. Next, let's talk about withdrawal income. So you get this income from up to 5 levels, in which whatever withdrawal the first level team makes, you will get 30% of it. Similarly, you will get 25% from the second level, 20% from the third level, 15% from the fourth level, and 10% from the fifth level. Next, let's talk about global rank pool income. That is, whatever amount is withdrawn, the company will take out 10% of it. And whatever amount is generated will be distributed in 7 different pools. In which 10% will be for Tone No Voice, 10% will be on Explorer rank, 10% on Builder rank, 10% on Stacker rank, 15% on Trader rank, 20% on Collector rank, and 25% will be on Titan rank. Next, let's talk about rank and income, which will be available for 6 weeks. Here friends, your team volume is $1,000, your self account is $50, and you do a direct business of $200. On fulfilling this condition, your rank becomes stone no wise and you get $25 per week for 6 weeks. With which you will get a total income of $150. When your team volume is $8,000, self account is activated with $100, and you do direct business of $300, then you get $100 per week for 6 weeks. With which you will get a total of $600, and your rank becomes Stone Explorer. Now when your team volume will be $25,000, your self account will be activated with $500. And if you give a draft business of $500, then your rank becomes Stone Builder. And if we talk about income, then you get $250 per week for 6 weeks. Due to which your total salary becomes $1,500. According to the same chart, your total salary on Stacker rank will be $4,800. On Trader rank it will be $21,000. On Collector rank it will be $33,000. And on Titan rank it will be $51,000. That is friends, from here you can easily earn $15,250. Next, let's talk about the withdrawal distribution condition. So 60% of the withdrawal will go to the withdrawal wallet. 20% will go to the deposit wallet which will be used for re-top up. 10% will go to the ranked global pool. 5% will go to the ROI withdrawal income, from which you also get income. And 5% will go as system maintenance fees. Next, let's talk about the key benefits. So here investment can be made with a minimum of 1 ton. A minimum of 1 ton can be withdrawn. You only need a ton coin. 50% business from one branch and 50% business from all other branches will be counted. And you can see the rest of the conditions on your screen. Friends, this concept is very good and wonderful, and has been created to give you income. Success is achieved only by those who start as soon as possible to achieve it. So friends, to make your future bright, you have to join this concept as soon as possible, and for more information you can contact our top leader, whose information has been given to you in the description box. Friends, thank you all for watching till the end of the video.